guys, I love Harry Potter.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how obsessed are you with Harry Potter?
9 3/4.
You guys know we love Wizarding World of Harry Potter. You know something that you guys probably do not know is Tim actually wrote 2 books on the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. He has a guide to Diagon Alley and he has a guide to Hogsmeade. So we'll include a link up in the description in the eye in the sky too, so you can check that out. But that's not what today is about. Yeah. Today is all about the best must-do, you have to do at Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Because we've counted how many times we've gone to Disney World. I don't think we've ever counted how many times we've gone to Wizarding World of Harry Potter. It's a lot.
We should count starting now.
We should start today. We're gonna count today.
We're gonna go once today.
I don't know if you know because you were younger, but Daddy and Mommy both went to the grand opening celebration of Hogsmeade with all the actors. The whole family loves Wizarding World of Harry Potter. So we do know a lot about those 2 parts of Universal Orlando Resort.
And I know a lot about Harry Potter.
She does. Shall we get into Hunter's and Mommy's must-do list of things at Wizarding World of Harry Potter?
Butterbeer! Butterbeer is so delicious. They have 3 different kinds. They have regular butterbeer, they have frozen, which is awesome, and hot butterbeer.
Oh.
They're so delicious. They're basically butterscotch. They're butterscotch drinks, and they're so good.
And they are non-alcoholic, so the whole entire family can enjoy them. And that's kind of one of those classic pictures. When you go to Universal Orlando Resort, you have to get the butterbeer with the mustache and get that classic butterbeer picture.
With the cream.
Yes. But today's a perfect day for a hot butterbeer. After this, do you want to go get a hot butterbeer?
Yeah, let's do it.
It's like 60 degrees today. I think we need to go get a hot butterbeer.
Uh-huh.
Our next must-do at Wizarding World of Harry Potter is a super fun one. And the best thing is, there's no waits. You don't have to wait in line to ride a ride. It's just you walk up, you flick the wand, and you see a spell. You guys know what I'm talking about. The interactive wand spells. They're everywhere. They're at both Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios at both Diagon Alley and Hogsmeade. They have ones that are regular ones. They also have special mystery secret locations as well. And it is the best. Like, we will take the kids and and that's all we'll do at Wizarding World of Harry Potter is do the wand spells. So you do have to purchase the interactive wand, and you can purchase that almost anywhere on Universal Orlando Resort property. Wingardium Leviosa.
Not Wingardium. Wingardium.
Are you ready for the next must-do? Go, Hunter, go.
The next must-do is...
Do you need drum roll?
It's Ollivanders.
Oh,
Here's a little trick. Don't do the one in Hogsmeade. Do the one in Diagon Alley. They have several rooms, but in Hogsmeade they only have 1 room. So it's a much longer one. It's a much longer wait when you go to Hogsmeade than Diagon Alley.
That is a great tip, Hunter. And just a few more little tips, because Hunter has this knack of always getting selected. So when you go into Ollivanders' show,
try smiling.
They will actually grab a child or adult and you would be part of the show, and it's amazing. So I'm not going to give you all the details, but you basically are finding the wand that fits you.
What I do, what really helps is when you're right up front or you're smiling. Like, usually when I'm smiling like this, I usually get chosen. And and last time I got chosen, I got the same exact wand I got last time.
So you're meant to have that wand. Just saying.
Oh,
so definitely make sure you're up front. Make sure push the kids up front. Make sure the kid looks excited. If they look excited, it's gonna be a much better show. And if they're wearing anything Harry Potter, that kind of is a benefit too. That's a perk.
I was wearing so much Harry Potter stuff.
A lot of Harry Potter. And if you've been through the show before and you have a wand, hide that wand, tuck that wand away, because if you show up in the show and you're holding the wand, they're not gonna pick you. So just a few little tips that we've found work, because let me tell you, she's been selected every single time. Every time. Even with a room full of kids, she gets selected. Our next must-do is Gringotts. the brand new ride, which I say it's brand new, but it's been like there for a while. It's been there for a while. But Diagon Alley has this amazing ride, Gringotts. So you walk into Gringotts Bank, which has the amazing dragon at the top that actually breathes fire. That's so cool. But you go inside the bank and then you actually have several kind of like fun little stops before you get on the ride. And the ride, mind blown, it's awesome. We've been on it so many times. Again, we went on it during grand opening, and even then it was like, it was so awesome. So awesome. It is definitely more of a fast-paced ride. It's not a roller coaster, but it is a fast-paced ride. So
I never knew
definitely keep that in consideration. But Gringotts is definitely one of those must-dos. Now, Gringotts is very popular. Yesterday it had a 55-minute wait. I've seen it all the way up to 120 minutes. So make sure if you have Universal Express, no sweat, you can walk on any time. But if you do not have Universal Express, try to get to Diagon Alley as soon as it opens. Like, be at the park before the park opens, go straight to Gringotts and ride Gringotts first.
The next one, number 4.
I don't even know what number we're on. We'll just call it the next must-do.
Next must-do. The next must-do is...
Drumroll. She likes drum rolls. Here, I'll do... Ow! Alright, next one is...
Forgot it for a second. Wait
for it.
Money exchange. Gringotts Money Exchange.
Yeah, we're already talking about Gringotts. Why not talk about Gringotts Money Exchange, too?
Yeah, you can get at Gringotts Money Exchange. It's like a little, like tiny little building, and you get to go in and you can actually get money that you can only use in Universal. Wait.
Yeah, they're Gringotts banknotes that you can use. So it's kind of like having a gift card. And then you can actually ask him a question.
Yeah, you can.
What's your favorite question to ask him?
My favorite question is either how many nuts are in a galleon, or do you take parents? Do you take parents?
No. This is a money exchange only.
So make sure you swing through the Gringotts Money Exchange, because it is definitely a quick little experience, but it's fun. So still talking about Diagon Alley, but actually outside Diagon Alley is King's Cross area. King's Cross has a couple... Are you doing... You want to do it? All right. King's Cross has 2 really fun experiences. Actually, they have more than that, but there's 2 must-do in King's Cross. One is the night bus. As you walk into King's Cross, you cannot miss night bus. There's actually a character there. There's 2 characters there. You have the shrunken head inside the bus that will talk with you, and then the bus driver is there as well. So that's a really fun photo op opportunity, but make sure you have those cameras in video mode as well, because it's really funny.
And you got 10 Nogles.
10? Okay, that's not the baddest.
No, I thought it was going to be
10.
worse, to be honest. Yeah.
I thought it was going to be like an infestation.
See, you are a Slytherin, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, how are things going in Slytherin?
Good.
Pretty good. Are you like, on a scale of Slytherin, if like on one end you had like a pygmy puff, and on the other end you had like he who must not be named, where do you fall on that Slytherin scale?
Yeah, man.
In the middle. Okay, so she could go either way.
Got you. Okay, that's not bad. I can handle it, at least she's honest.
Yeah, you know, just stay out of Nocturne Alley. It's so dark down there, you know. I can't even see my hand in front of my face.
I know, I mean...
Oh.
But it's really a fun experience, so definitely do that. And then the other one in King's Cross is Creature. You're gonna look for the number 12 door. It's actually a black door, and then right above it is where Creature is gonna stand. So when you see it, it's literally gonna be just kind of some curtains. Just stand there and keep watching, and Creature will actually open the curtains and peek out, and then close the curtains. And I guarantee if you're gonna be all by yourself and just looking up, you're gonna get a crowd around you. It's really funny to watch. But Creature at King's Cross is another really fun thing to watch. What else is on our must-do list at Wizard World of Harry Potter?
Weasley shop.
The Weasley shop.
The Weasley twin brothers.
Yeah, that shop is crazy fun.
They have a bunch of stuff. They have pygmy puffs. They have games. They have toys. They have fun,
they have candy.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, like pukin' pumpkin fudge and blue fudge and all kinds of crazy stuff.
Wait, give me a second. Nosebleed nougat. I'm pretty sure that.
Oh yeah, nosebleed nougat. Yeah. What is next on our must-do list?
It's your turn.
Oh, Hogwarts Express. Yeah. Hogwarts Express is awesome. And this is one of those attractions you have to do. It is a different show on your way from King's Cross to Hogsmeade, as it is from Hogsmeade back to King's Cross. There's one little part when you pass Malfoy Manor that a lightning bolt comes down and you have to watch because the lightning bolt...
It's on like a little tree, dead tree.
Yeah, it actually is Voldemort.
Like this shape.
Yeah, so when the lightning comes down, it's Voldemort. And then immediately it's a tree. So it's super fast, but a team member showed that to us once and it's so cool. So I think that's my favorite ride. You have to have that Universal park-to-park ticket to ride the Hogwarts Express, which means you can go through both parks on the same day. That's definitely something to consider if you're only at Universal Studios. You're not gonna be able to ride it. Same thing with Islands of Adventure. You have to have that park-to-park ticket, but Hogwarts Express, amazing when you're going from King's Cross to Hogsmeade. You actually go through 9 3/4, actually go through the wall, so have those cameras ready. All right, so now we're gonna head over to Hogsmeade, and there's a lot of must-dos that are over there. I'm gonna mention 3 really quick must-dos at Hogsmeade. I mean, Hogsmeade has so much fun to do over there. First one, Moaning Myrtle. You gotta go to the bathroom.
Well, this can only happen. Wait, is it for boys too?
Yes.
Oh, I thought it was just girls. I was like, well,
no.
Moaning
Myrtle flies through the walls and she hits the boys' bathroom too. Hogsmeade Outpost stamp. So either bring your own letters and your own stamps to mail it from there, or you can actually buy postcards, stationery, and stamps right there in Hogsmeade. So that definitely is a must do. The last must do kind of comes and goes. It's still kind of new, so it may not be going on during your vacation, but Universal started doing these projection shows on Hogwarts. It's really funny because during the initial grand opening of Hogsmeade, they had this incredible show on the castle that the entire Harry Potter staff actually kicked off. So hopefully we'll include a little video clip of that so you can check that out. But there's this amazing projection show on Hogwarts where this Christmas...
there were like so many Christmas stuff. There was Quidditch players flying all over the place. It looked so cool.
Yeah, so this Christmas, they started a projection show on Hogwarts. And what did you think of it? Did you like it?
I thought it was awesome.
It
was so cool.
But they're actually doing a projection show that is on Hogwarts Castle as well. So who knows if they're going to extend it or if it's just a test, but that is one of the must-dos. It's so cool in the evening just to go and see the show that kind of runs continuous at Hogsmeade. So that is our must-do list of Wizarding World of Harry Potter. There's so much more, so many little hidden things at both the parks, including a special suite. You have to come back and we'll share that one. That's really cool. But if you want more about Wizarding World of Harry Potter, definitely click the eye in the sky or check out the description and check out the books that Tim wrote that you can buy. Amazing detail, information, video, pictures about both Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Diagon Alley, and Hogsmeade if you're one of those crazy Harry Potter fans like this one right here. But for now, I hope you enjoyed our must-do list of Wizarding World of Harry Potter. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Love you all! Keep on dreaming!
Let's go get that butterbeer.
Yeah,
Should we get the butter? Yeah. It's like hot. We need a butterbeer. We're cold. We need a butterbeer.